La, da. La, da. The morning sun breaks the ocean wide. Clouds roll high on the horizon side. The waves, they shimmer, the birds take flight. Becka whispers, here's the world's delight. The gulls call out in the coastal breeze. The trees stand tall, bending to the seas. The sand holds stories, the tide rolls free. A melody born in eternity. Oh, Betkas shines where the waters play, crystal clear beneath the sun's warm rays. Feel the breeze, hear the sky's refrain. Betka's beauty calls again. Clouds shift shapes in their fleeting dance. Nature's brush paints a fleeting romance. The ocean sings as it meets the shore, a song of peace forevermore. The land's alive, each moment here makes the spirit thrive. The sky, the waves, and the earth combine. In Betkas glow the heart aligns. From the cliffs above to the rolling tide, Betka whispers, here's where dreams reside. The birds will soar and the seas will call. This morning's song belongs to all. Oh, Betkas shines where the waters play, crystal clear beneath the sun's warm rays. Feel the breeze, hear the sky's refrain. Betka's beauty calls again. The waves will hum and the clouds will stay. Betka's magic guides the day. Oh, Betkas shines where the waters play, crystal clear beneath the sun's warm rays. Feel the breeze, hear the sky's refrain. Betka's beauty calls again.